You're sharing files with other computers on your local network, but encountering some errors in Windows 11. Follow these steps to share the folder and fix the error. I shared a folder named Test. Share with everyone. Share without password. Allow everyone to read and edit files in the shared folder. Network path. Other computers access the shared folder using this network path. I tried to access the shared folder from another computer over the network. Network. Turn on network discovery and file sharing. The computer sharing the folder doesn't appear. This is the first error, and here are the steps to fix this error. This error is because you have set the network mode to public. You shouldn't share folders on a public network, as that's not safe therefore. You set up folder sharing using a private network. Private network. Enable network discovery. Enable file and printer sharing. Set up private network mode. Private network. After completing the above steps, the computer sharing the file will be visible from other computers. Desktop 1. This is the computer sharing the file. But when accessing it, it requires a username and password. I share it with everyone and don't use a password. So on Desktop 1, set it up as follows. Network and Internet. Advanced sharing settings. All networks. Disable password requirement when sharing files. Password protected sharing. Off. Windows cannot access. Another error appears. You handle this error as follows. You handle this error on the client machine, not on the computer sharing the file. Control panel. Credential Manager. Add the guest account of the computer sharing the file on client computers. Enter the name or IP address of the computer sharing the file. Desktop 1. System. Name of the computer sharing the folder. Desktop 1. Username. Password. Leave blank. Share file without password. Added successfully. The above are the steps to fix file sharing errors in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out more helpful tips on my channel.